We're seeing more bamboo in homes and businesses across wine country. But did you know bamboo is actually a grass and that there are more than 1,200 different types? Some bamboo can grow up to 100 feet tall. We've got the dirt on some bamboo that's out of this world.
Most people think of bamboo, they think of large green canes. But actually bamboo is available in many colors, from 1 foot tall to 50 feet tall, with stripes, spots, yellow, green, red, black.
Larry Gullman is the owner of Bamboo Giant in the Santa Cruz Mountain wine country, and he's passionate about bamboo.
So when considering purchasing bamboo, start by thinking about the function you want the bamboo to perform. Is this a small, low ground cover? Do you want a privacy hedge? Are you looking for a 50-foot specimen in your front yard? You also want to consider the texture and the color. You want something that matches your landscape, gives you the effect you want.
Some folks are hesitant to plant bamboo because they're afraid it will spread out of control.
A common myth with bamboo is that it can't be controlled. There are many ways to contain bamboo, many types of barriers. The best are natural barriers like water or dry soil.
When nature isn't on your side, Larry says a thick plastic barrier will do the trick.
Today we're installing golden bamboo, which spreads very rapidly. So we're installing a barrier made of polyethylene. We lay out the area of the hedge, dig a trench 27 inches deep, and install a polyethylene barrier.
Now it's time to plant. Bamboo will typically grow a foot a day in the summer.
And that's the dirt on bamboo.